Apple's entry into foldables is shaping up to be one of the biggest shifts in iPhone history. By 2026, the company is expected to reveal not just an iPhone Fold, but also an iPhone Flip, a clamshell-style device that could directly compete with Samsung's Z Flip lineup. What makes this move significant is Apple's strategy to refine technologies that competitors have struggled with, aiming to remove the compromises that often come with foldable designs. The Hinge system is one of the standout changes. Leaks suggest Apple is working on a liquid metal hinge, engineered to reduce the crease that plagues most foldable displays. Early reports indicate this hinge could handle tens of thousands of folds without showing wear, addressing a durability concern that has lingered since the first generation of foldables hit the market. Battery performance is another area where Apple looks determined to set its foldable apart. Current foldable phones often fall behind in endurance due to design limitations, but Apple is reportedly planning to use a carbon lithium battery. This advanced technology, already seen in devices from Oppo and Samsung, could give Apple's foldable battery life comparable to that of a standard iPhone 16 or 17. For users, this means no need to sacrifice longevity just to own a foldable, an issue that has deterred many potential buyers until now. Design and usability add another dimension to the anticipation. An iPhone Flip would offer a compact, pocket-friendly shape when closed, resembling the iPhone mini that many fans miss. Open it up, and the inside display could expand to 6.7 inches, giving users the best of both worlds: small form factor convenience and a large screen for content. The outer display would still handle essentials like notifications and quick replies, ensuring the phone remains functional even when folded. For Apple, this design isn't just about novelty, it's about striking a balance between modern functionality and the simplicity of older, smaller iPhones that still hold a loyal following. Industry watchers believe Apple is carefully pacing itself, waiting until component technologies and consumer demand align. If the current timeline holds, Apple's foldables will debut in September 2026 during its annual iPhone event. Availability would likely follow later that same month. Pricing is also expected to mirror the competition, with Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip retailing at just under $1,100. Apple is likely to place its iPhone Flip in the $1,000 range. It won't aim for pro features, but instead emphasize the foldable experience, offering dual displays, portability, and Apple's trademark build quality. The wait may still be over a year, but if these reports are accurate, Apple's first foldable will deliver more than just a new design. It could redefine the future of compact smartphones.